By the end of this video, you'll see why MaxScale is like giving your Mariadb setup the metabolism of a superhero, or how much data it gobbles up, or how big it grows. MaxScale keeps it running smooth, balanced, and in top shape. Alright, so you're running an online store and today's the big flash sale. Traffic is skyrocketing and you're already planning what kind of yacht you'll name after your cat. But then, bam, the checkout page crashes. QD500 internal server error appearing everywhere like an unwanted sequel. Your database server is wheezing like it just ran a marathon with no training. And customers, they're bolting from your site faster than dads when the check arrives at dinner. Your big moment has gone from cha-ching to oh no in record time. So what went down? All that traffic hit your database like a tsunami of requests. Your lone database instance didn't stand a chance. Sure, you had some replica databases for reads, but every write operation, checking out, creating an account, was still stuck on that one overworked server, gasping for air under a mountain of queries. You'd think maybe a load balancer could save the day. But then it hits you. There's no smart layer managing connections between databases. It's like trying to direct rush hour traffic with a rubber duck. You start Googling things like how to make databases not die under traffic spikes. You read about high availability setups and how distributed systems work. But the configuration feels like assembling IKEA furniture without the manual. Pieces everywhere. Zero clue on how they fit. Every solution is either brain-meltingly complex or wallet-crushingly expensive. You start to wonder, is there actually a way to automate traffic distribution and handle failovers without breaking the bank or your sanity? Imagine the same flash sale scenario, but this time you've got MaxScale in place. As the traffic surges, you see your database cluster flexing like an action hero in a slow motion montage. No downtime, no errors, just smooth, balanced traffic flowing through your databases like clockwork. How is this even possible? Why didn't your database faceplant like last time? Here's the deal. MaxScale sits between your application and your Mariadb instances, playing traffic cop, but not just any traffic cop. It's the kind that moonlights as a tech wizard with a knack for server psychology. It knows when to nudge a request towards a read replica and when to wave traffic away from a server that's about to throw a tantrum. MaxScale comes loaded with features that basically give you back your sanity. For starters, it handles intelligent query routing, sorting out reads and writes like a seasoned maitre d', making sure your write-heavy transactions don't queue up like concert tickets. It's got failover management on lockdown. If a database node decides to ghost you, MaxScale spots it, reroutes traffic around the chaos, and others are none the wiser. And the cherry on top, it's all automatic. No late-night pager freakouts or frantic SSH triathlons. MaxScale just handles it. Sure, MaxScale nails load balancing and failover like a champ, but that's just scratching the surface. It also handles read-write splitting like a pro, spreading your reads across multiple replicas while your writes stay loyal to the primary node. Performance and efficiency that make your servers give a standing ovation. On top of that, MaxScale keeps an eye on your databases 24/7, monitoring health in real time, and even takes care of connection pooling to cut down the load on your servers. It's like having an entire ops team wrapped into one sleek powerhouse software package. You roll out MaxScale and just like that, those late night panic sessions become ancient history. Scaling horizontally, just toss in more replicas. No need to lose sleep over manual app reconfigs. Got a data migration on your hands? MaxScale got you covered here too, handling the heavy lifting so your app doesn't skip a beat. Your database evolves from a jittery bottleneck to a well-oiled, flexible machine that even the most cynical developer would admire. And that's why MaxScale isn't just useful. It's a game changer for managing Mariadb. It handles the heavy lifting, load balancing, failovers, query routing, so you can get back to what you do best, building your app and scaling your business. Whether you're steering a scrappy startup or juggling enterprise-level infrastructure, MaxScale turns your database into a scalable, reliable, and most importantly, stress-free part of your tech stack.